Hi there guys, welcome back to Crypto Rise, and remember, just before we get into the video, I'm doing a giveaway at the end of this week, and remember, to get into the giveaway you just have to like, subscribe, put the notifications on, and comment down below in any video saying you've done all of those things so I know who to pick. Now let's get straight into the video. If we're looking at Quant now, it's a daily update of course. The Quant has now reached 167. It's going green this past day. You can see, look, it was rock bottom for most of the day. But if you scroll further, look, there's some green parts here. It shows that it went from 163, broke through that resistance, look, that hit 3 points, 4 points in the day, broke through that, and it went further up to 167, even 170. Now it fluctuated a bit and it's gone down. It retraced down to 167, which is a healthy price. It's doing quite good. It's recovering quite well from the past couple of days because it's been at a very steep decline. Look, as you look at the price ranges, it went from 175, dropped all the way down to 161, and now it's getting back there. It's retracing. It's the price action is quite good. There's a lot of buying pressure right here, right at this point at 160, and it hit 170, so it's looking like more of a healthy price. I feel like in the next couple of days it's gonna go back to normal price around 170, maybe even 175. So let's see what the comments are saying. I'm laughing at this pump right now. Or let's see how many goats will fall for this trap. Wow, so he's trying to say that he's kind of bearish on it because he's saying that, look, that it's a trap in a sense, like it's not really going to pump that far. The bloodbath has not started. I've tried to warn you, so it's bearish, but this was like a day ago, so I don't know. I think he's just being quite negative because he hasn't looked at it recovering in price. The bloodbath haven't even started yet. I tried to warn you. I can't get enough of that guy. Hope everyone was on board. Less sore. So he's saying that it's going to go up. He's bullish about it. QNT is a shit coin. That's definitely quite negative because shit coins, all they do, they pump and dump. They're not really there to add any purpose to the market. Does not go up with Bitcoin but corrects with Bitcoin. Does it mean it's still not correcting itself? Still not done correcting itself? I don't know about this one. This one's a bit further. I can't really say much on that because I don't really know myself. Now let's go on to the Twitter. This is what I've seen. QNT correction after the recent violent moves to the upside seems to have run its course. Who's ready for some more upside? Because Quant token's price is seriously undervalued for the enormous utility it provides and will provide. So he's being quite bullish on the matter itself. He's saying that Quant is very undervalued. It's quite low for its price at the moment. It should be higher. So he's expecting somewhere in this region to pump. And this was just 3 hours ago. So this is good news for Quant at the moment. An early recording of Verdian and the Quant team speaking about the vision they have planned for the company going forward. This company, led by the minds in the industry, IMHO, are superior to any other in this space. QNT, a wise investment. NFA. So let's watch this video. Let's see what they're trying to say.
Blockchain and DLT, distributed ledger technologies, are transformational and foundational to society. The biggest challenges enterprise face is the lack of interoperability and the ease of use. Quant is solving the problem of complexity in DLT in two ways. One is to make it much easier to use. So we have an API that hides all of the complexity, makes it straightforward for developers to work with DLTs. The other thing is we're making it interoperable. So at the moment, there's lots of areas that are isolated where there's a lot of value, and we connect those together and make them available through the same easy-to-use interface.
We're split into two sections, R&D and engineering. So our R&D does the complex heavy lifting and understanding how to solve the problem in a prototype. And then we hand it over to engineering to make it enterprise level application.
Our core technology, Overledger, delivers universal interoperability that is fit for future and enterprise-oriented. We see numerous possibilities for enterprise and developer use cases for Overledger.
The way I see the technology being applied in the mid-market is mainly around finance, so tokenization of assets, new models for syndicated loans, new models for trade finance. There's a number of initiatives in that area, and Overledger will accelerate those because at the moment they are traditional blockchain projects that are working in isolation. The way I see the technology being applied more at a macro scale is systems that are linking countries and linking trade blocks. So EU region, Latin America region, and then specific corridors between countries where many flows are being digitalized on DLT, and those DLTs need linking together to make that work properly.
Was a hyper-connected world of interconnected networks. That's the future.
So that's quite a great video about how the purpose in the real world is by the CEO himself and the people that work with him as well. So that's very good news. It's something that the quantum community should be proud of. See like a lot of positive moves in it. So that's for other people to look into. If you want to watch the video again yourself, it was uploaded on the 23rd of October. This is on Twitter. If you were just to search in Quant, you'll be able to find it. Or I can just link it in the bio if you guys want, or if you guys were to comment in the video, I'll just send it to you guys there. Now there's some interesting news articles that I've been reading through. Let's get straight into them. So this first one, QNT quant investors may need to consider this before going long. Quant's recent reversal chalked out a bullish pattern on its daily chart. On the other hand, the alt marked a steep downtrend in its social dominance over the last few days. So what it's trying to say that really and truly, people don't know whether to long or to short, because the coin itself has been not really showing the best prices. Let's read more into this. Quant expedited its bullish edge after the market-wide recovery over the last few days. The ongoing gains put the coin well above its EMA ribbons, while they offered support over the past month. Should the recent reversal rally rebound from its immediate support, QNT could see a near-term bullish revival. At press time, QNT was trading at 165.9. QNT formed a bullish pattern near the EMA ribbon support. Since mid-June, Quant's revival from the $44 baseline defied the broader selling inclinations of the market as the altcoin consistently grew. In the meantime, it chalked out a 5-month trendline resistance. It's the Y and dashed lines. After facing bottlenecks near the 200 EMAs, the green parts, QNT pulls off a rally beyond its high liquidity range to find fresher highs. The latest reversal from the trendline resistance confirmed a bullish pennant-like structure on the daily charts. So what he's trying to say that is actually grown past the lows that it created, and it's doing better for those that were looking at it in terms of like a negative thing, that it was going down, the coin was not really doing well, it was at a really low price. It really made a quite good recovery. So let's read on. A plausible rebound from the $162 mark could open a pathway for a pattern breakout. Any convincing close above the 220 EMA can offer good buying opportunities. So what it's trying to say that you could literally try to find a good opportunity to buy at that point. So being there for the long term would actually work out, because as you buy at 162 or around that mark, you could really see it growing out even more. And like it says in this next paragraph, in this case, the buyers might look for a potential retest of the $190 to $200 range before a likely revival. An immediate decline below the 162, the support, and the 50 EMA could invalidate the bullish tendencies. So it's trying to say that if it goes below that support of 162, then obviously it wouldn't be a wise thing to invest into the coin itself, because it will just keep on going down and it will find another resistance which it will meet by, or even go lower. Like it could be around 140 to 120. You could even reach 100 if it doesn't stop. So it could be very, very bearish. Let's go further into this. A decline in social dominance and network growth. So this could kind of involve the coin itself, its marketing, how people are seeing it, like the community itself, like their dominance going down, it getting unpopular. So let's read more into this. Analysis of data from Sentiment revealed a robust spike in Quant's social dominance and network growth from the mid-September to mid-October. However, over the last few days, QNT saw a substantial plunge in both of the above metrics, which you can see from here. That's gone very low from look how much it spiked up to, and even the green one, which is the price of Quant, is dropped down, and so both of the social and network ones have dropped all the way down there. So it kind of makes sense. It kind of goes up and down. It fluctuates with price itself. So when price is high, obviously there's more dominance of social media, but whilst it's low, it kind of follows the same type of pattern. But from here, it did a massive drop. So we don't know. Let's read on. While the price action seems sensitive to them, the price did not decline as much, which is true, as you can see from the graph. The buyer should keep a close watch on these metrics to gauge the underlying sentiment towards its crypto. Finally, keeping a watch on the King coin's movement could help make a profitable bet. So basically, what they're trying to say is, if you keep good eyes on the price of the coin, if you get at a low price and try to sell at a higher price later on down the line, you could be making money from it. But it takes a lot of time to be able to find that opportunity. So guys, let's go into this next newspaper article, and this is the last one that we're going to talk about for the rest of the episode. Quant investors should consider this before executing longs. Longs mean that the price is going to go up. They can predict it to go up and they'll make money from that. This was posted literally today. So Quant's sway beyond its EMAs incorporate a buy edge. Can buy sustain the narrative that alt saw a significant decline in network growth, which we talked about? QNT's heightened its bullish superiority following the broad market revival over the past few days. We read about this, so I don't want to go over the same part. So we read about this as well, and all of this. So it's kind of the same type of news article. A lot of people are really focusing on the fact that it dropped very, very badly in terms of like network growth and social dominance. So it's trying to really say, is this coin a long-term coin to invest into? Because if the people, the community itself isn't strong, where is the sustainability in its price, and how is it going to pump if there's no one that's there to back the coin up itself? That's a big question people should be asking. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe. Remember, there'll be a giveaway finishing at the end of this week, and I want people to like have a fair chance in getting involved in it. Make sure, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.